I'm gonna show you how to plant tomato seeds. So first of all, we're gonna try to plant and start the seeds indoor using small seed starter kit like this before we move them outdoors to the actual bigger pots. I already filled them with soil, and first thing you want to do is to pack the soil in. So just use your finger to pack the soil. I used potting soil mix that I just got from the nursery place. Now it's packed, as you can see. Now I have some seeds that I got from Tractor Supply. What you want is to have a higher chance of successful growth. And what we're gonna do to achieve that is to put 2 to 3 seeds per pot. So what I'm gonna do is put them apart separately. So if one seed didn't grow, maybe the other ones would. So you want to put them with a little bit of space, and I'm putting in three seeds in each pot. Okay, let me just finish it real quick. All right, now that I'm done, I still have at least 2/3 left, and I'm gonna do that later. Now what you want to do is to add some more soil on top of it. I'm just using the word soil, but technically it's a potting mix. Okay, so pour it on top, just all the way to the top, and then pack it in again using your fingers. Neat. So that's how it's gonna look like. Alright, and what you want to do next is to water it, but I don't want to water it from the top. What I'm gonna do is to water the bowl and let the potting mix suck it in. So okay, I just filled it halfway. Then I'm gonna let it sit maybe 30 minutes to an hour until the top is moist, because there's a hole underneath. Actually, I didn't show you. I'm gonna put it by the window without a direct sun, but still getting a lot of sunlight. I'll give you guys an update after a week or two and give you guys more information on how to properly water and care for this. For now, this is how it's gonna look like, and I'm gonna finish the rest of them. Hi guys, just want to check in. Today is exactly 2 weeks since I planted the tomato seeds, and as you can see, I have a lot of successful growth, and a lot of them are looking really healthy. Okay, so today is the 4th week, actually a little over 4th week to be exact, since I planted or germinated my tomato seeds, and I just kept them here inside the house close to the window so they get enough sunlight. I keep putting water in the tray and then draining them after soaking them for about an hour, and they are almost ready to be transplanted to their own pots. Maybe I'm just gonna wait 2 weeks more, and then I'll create a separate video for that. Alright, so that's how you guys germinate tomatoes indoor. So I will wait probably a couple of weeks and give you guys an update, and once it's ready to be transplanted to their own pots, I'm gonna make a separate video for that. Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Bye!